All out.
All you guys are trying to get rid of shit.
Yeah. Inside ain't shit. Niggas can't fuck with me.
There's a special way I fold my flag. Now push your head if it's about that cash. Give me a sticky, I don't need an outfit. No, a 305 fitted just to match my kick. Cause bitch, I'm alive.
Yeah, and I can't even lie. You can tell by my red ass eyes that I'm high. I'm suicide like a screaming fuck the other side. Large and ass niggas ain't nothing but some lies. We beat niggas and have bitches like guys.